The smartphone market is undergoing some interesting developments. Just 8 months ago, 6-inch displays were considered humongous, but today, they seem to be the new normal for a large-screen smartphone. So the phone we have here today, the Xperia XA2 Plus, might have been called an Ultra had it been released half a year ago. But today, it's merely a plus in the XA2 lineup, a testament to the change in perception consumers are undergoing. The Sony Xperia XA2 Plus is seemingly a successor to the XA2 Ultra, bringing about a few subtle but important changes. For starters, the XA2 Plus is the first mid-range Xperia to employ an 18:9 screen. It's a 6 inches one, just like on the Ultra, but with taller aspect ratio and higher resolution. The screen bezels have been trimmed and thus the Plus is both shorter and narrower than the Ultra model it succeeds. The XA2 Plus also brings a Gorilla Glass Shield version 5, up from 4, and the 64GB model now has 6 gigs of RAM, up from 4 GB. The selfie camera has been downgraded though. The XA2 Plus has only the 8MP cam introduced first on the Xperia XA2, instead of the dual 16MP OIS plus 8MP sharpshooter of the Ultra. But the Ultra wasn't so awesome in taking selfies anyhow, regardless of the strong credentials on paper. So we are not too bummed about this downgrade. The Xperia XA2 Plus gets to keep the capable Snapdragon 630 chipset, the high-end 23MP main camera, and even the 3580 mAh battery from the Ultra. The bill of materials has stayed the same as well, an aluminum frame and a polycarbonate back. The Android it comes with is still Oreo despite the fact that Android Pie is already around. But Sony has a solid reputation for updating its phones down the line, so we won't consider this a disadvantage just yet. The Xperia XA2 Plus is not that different from the Ultra and we doubt it will make Ultra owners switch. But it's one very interesting offer in an overcrowded mid-range market, and we'll gladly take it for a spin.